Vanakkam friends. First of all, I thank all the members who have voted in our recent poll on Sunday. So as per the highest vote percentage, 41 percentage of our people have requested the view of Reliance Industries for short term, medium term and long term. So now we will move into the charts and see how we can expect Reliance to perform in all these time frames. This is the chart of Reliance Industries on 15 minutes time frame. I have taken yesterday's high, that means Monday's high, and Friday's low into consideration, and then drawn a Fibonacci kind of stuff. Along with that, I have added 200 simple moving average to this chart. So over here, this 38.2 retracement and the 200 moving average coincides at this area, this particular area, somewhere in between 2114 to 2116. As of now, Reliance is in a corrective mode. I expect the stock to take support at this levels and then climb higher. While climbing on the higher side, the initial target would be this particular level, 100% level, that is 2153, and if it gives a close above this 2153, we can expect the stock to move higher towards 2200 zones, and this is the view for short term, which is like maybe 5 to 10 15 10 or maximum 15 days period. Okay, now we will see how the stock is going expected to perform in medium term, and thereafter we will see the long term charts of Reliance and how we can, what kind of performance we can expect in Reliance. Now I have converted that same Reliance chart into daily time frame. If you observe over here, the 200 SMA comes around 2048 levels as of now. This will be changing often, every day or maybe every week, like according to the previous 200 days. Okay, as long as this particular line is holding, we can expect a move in Reliance towards this congestion zone, these two lines, the first and second line, which is 2276 and then the 2310 levels. Once this hurdle is crossed, we can expect a new all-time high in Reliance within next 1 year time frame. If Nifty is supposed to move towards 16,500 levels, there is no other go. Reliance also is supposed to move on the upside only. So in that case, we can expect a move at least till the earlier 52-week high of 2365. Now I will convert this chart into a different time frame, and then we will see the long term approach for Reliance. Now I have changed the time frame alone to monthly, and the only hurdle which we can see here is the earlier all-time high of 2365 levels. I'm not sure about the exact levels of exact 52 high of Reliance, but it is somewhere near between 2365 to 2368, something like that. It is a clear flag and pole and flag pattern which is being formed over here. See this, the length of the pole from 1261 till 2365, which is almost like say how much it will be like almost 2000 points, not even 1170 or something. It is starting from, the pole is starting from somewhere near 900, sorry, 850 900 levels. If I draw a line here, it will be very easily known for everyone. Let me draw a line. See here, it is from 880 levels. From 880 levels, it is almost still 2350 levels, which is a clear cut 1500 point up move that we can expect and Reliance on long run. Long run in the sense I am saying minimum after 2 years time frame. So if you want to invest in the stock, rather than investing as a bulk amount, you can do it as SIP. Preferably you can do it as SIP. Like, you need to buy the same number of quantity on a given day in every month. Continue this SIPs for next 2 years and then leave it for another 2 years. This is the formula which I usually suggest for all my members. So you can also follow the same formula. When you are doing an SIP, you need to do it for 2 years continuously and then leave it for another 2 years. So which means your total time frame will be 4 years. After 4 years, we will be seeing at least, I'm saying, 70 to 80% returns on this particular stock, because it is one of the market mover. We are done with Reliance Views, which is the first voted counter in our Telegram channel, and the second voted counter in our Telegram channel is HDFC Bank. I will post my views in a separate video for HDFC Bank. Until then, stay connected in our channel. If you are new to our channel, you can subscribe so that you will not miss any of our videos. Thank you all.